Welcome to the TCA Cycle at Sketchyland.
Damas y caballeros, por favor mantengan sus brazos y manos dentro del viaje y no tomen fotos.
In this sketch, we'll talk about the TCA cycle. The TCA, or Krebs cycle, is a series of chemical reactions that are necessary for aerobic metabolism and ATP synthesis. The TCA cycle takes place in the mitochondria, and that's why this ride sits on a mitochondria-looking platform. To recap, 1 glucose produces 2 pyruvate, 2 NADH, and 2 ATP during glycolysis. When oxygen is available, pyruvate enters the mitochondrial matrix and is converted to acetyl-CoA via pyruvate dehydrogenase complex. This step produces an additional 2 NADH. Now we're left with 2 acetyl-CoA molecules, which will enter the TCA cycle. The TCA cycle produces 3 NADH, 1 FADH2, 2 CO2, and 1 GTP, or 1 ATP, from 1 acetyl-CoA. This convenient snack stand will help you remember the products of the TCA cycle. To the left, we start with 1 acetyl-CoA. Acetyl cola. To the right of the checkout arrow, we have 3 thirst-quenching NADH energy drinks, 1 FADH energy bar,